Okay, I will walk you over SAP Enterprise Portal, Netweaver Assignment 6, and the first thing that we have to do is create a public folder, public documents folder. Okay, so I'll be here. Let me just log on as LU001 and my password is entered. Okay, I need to go to content management, then I go to documents. Okay, and content management, explorer, documents, click on the public documents folder, and then okay, so I come here and I go to explorer, then I go to documents. Okay, and I click on the public documents folder, and then within folder I click new, and then I do folder, and this is my new folder, and I will call it FLU001, and this is FLU001's folder, public document folder. Okay, I save it. Then I can see my FLU001 folder over here. Now after that, what I have to do is I have to create a text file and save it in my folder. So I have to double click on the folder that I have created, then I go here folder, and then I say new, and then I do text file. So new text is, I name it lab 6, and then description is sample text for file MESI3395, and then the file was created as a sample text file for an assignment for MESI3395. Okay, so I put in lab 6, so I put in here lab 6. Okay, sample text for lab 6. Okay, text for the new text file for public document folder. You can put in any description. Of course, it has to be relevant. Okay, now after you are done with this, you have to enable versioning for the folder. So to do that, public documents, you have to return, find your new folder, click on the indicator to the right of the folder, and then select details. So I go to public document, I come to 001, then I go to selection, go to folder, and I go to details. Okay, so this is what I get when I click on details. And then from settings I can do versioning. Okay, so I go to settings and I can do versioning, and I get that. Okay, now so I've done the versioning and I've done the setting, versioning from setting, and then I have to add a sentence to my document. So double click on the folder, again click on the indicator to the and edit online, enter a new line of text and click save and unlock repeat this process by adding a second line of text to the file. Okay, so I go back here. Okay, where do I do the edit online thing? Okay, I have to go back here. Okay, so from here I do edit online thing and I enter a second line. This is my first line of text. Save and unlock. Same thing, another one. This is my second line of text. Save and unlock. Okay. Click on the indicator to the right of the document and select details. Click on the indicator to the right of the setting and do versioning again. So I click on the indicator and I do details. Okay, and settings, versions. Okay, now I need a screenshot of the above page. So basically I need a screenshot of this page. So I take a screenshot and I paste it in my Word document. This is my A. And then click the indicator next to view, select overview from the menu. So I select view, overview from the menu, and I need a screenshot of this page. So I need a screenshot of this page. So I take a screenshot and this is my B. Now I will discuss about versioning and details for you to understand what you have just done with this exercise. So in this assignment you have learned how to create a within public document a folder and how to store text files and other stuff within that folder, and by enabling versioning what you are doing is you are making sure that the old versions, the old files are not lost. Okay, if you work without versioning then only the current one will be stored, but if you work with versioning then all other versions would be stored. Like let us see if I can show you that from here. So you had lab 6. Okay, so if I go to view, okay, you had lab 6, right? So this is the details of lab 6. Now if I view an overview, okay, if I setting versions, what happens is it shows all different versions. The current one is this one, third one 2.1, it shows all different versions. The first one I had only one line, remember. The second one I had 2 lines. The third version I had 3 lines, so on and so forth. So this is versioning, that you store the old files along with the current one. If you work without versioning then what happens is you just have the old one. So this is your enterprise portal assignment 6. Now the next assignment will be on Visual Composer, another SAP module, and this is basically Visual Composer is a modeling tool. Okay, so that's another assignment.